passive income ideas. How I earn $28,000 per month. Start a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is one of the most profitable passive income sources you'll find online. With dropshipping, you can find trending products on marketplaces like AliExpress that you can then sell online to customers around the world. You can sell products in various dropshipping niches from fashion to home decor to beauty. Run a blog. The most popular passive income stream tends to come from blogging. Blogging has helped countless entrepreneurs earn passively through affiliate links, courses, sponsored posts, products, book deals, and more. Create a course. Selling online courses is one of the best passive income ideas of 2021. That's because we're still seeing massive sales growth for course creators. Whether you decide to sell a course on your own website or on a platform like Udemy, you'll find customers who want to learn your insider tips and tricks. Instagram sponsored posts. If you love Instagram as much as I do, you might want to turn your scrolling time into posting time to help you skyrocket your passive income. The best thing about Instagram is that you can literally create fan pages for absolutely anything. Whether you love travel, fashion, beauty, home decor, or something really peculiar like outrageous dog grooming. Create a print-on-demand online store. With e-commerce being one of the most popular ways to make passive income online, it only makes sense to give a shout out to print-on-demand. Create an app. You can go about it in two ways. First, you can charge a fee for people who want to buy your app. Second, you can make your app free and monetize with ads. My fiancé did this a few years ago and still makes a side income from his app to this day. Invest in stocks. When you look at the world's richest people, it's pretty safe to say that stocks have played a big role in their deep, endless bank accounts. Buy property. Depending on where you buy and when, real estate can be a good way to make passive income. In popular cities like Toronto, there has been a steady increase in property value. 9.36% during 2020, the highest growth in Canada since 2016. Host Airbnb. If you followed step number 8, you can choose to list your condo or home to rent on Airbnb. What's interesting is that you don't actually need to buy a new property to make Airbnb passive income. You can also rent a room in your current home or apartment if you have a spare room. Build your own website. Building your own website can be a reliable source of passive income. Some folks create marketing agencies and outsource the work to freelancers. Others, like a couple entrepreneurs on this list, create online courses to share their knowledge and educate others. Here are some ideas for what to sell on the internet. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best passive income opportunities available today. The upside to it is that almost every big brand has an affiliate program, so you can sell some pretty popular products and rake in the dough. Sell your videos. If you always find yourself in the midst of drama and excitement, you might want to pull out your phone and hit record. Doing that can help you make some passive income.